This is the second chapter of my music. I, Kafaiko the poet, the voice of ghetto that represents everyone in the ghetto. So today, this music, when I was writing it, or when we were writing it with Remy, is Kafaiko featuring Remy. When we were writing this music, we were inspired by how life was at that time. Like, things were not easy, by the way. Things were not easy at the moment. So we were struggling with even finding how to record, even recording with phone, even communication was not easy. So this song it inspires a lot. It says itajipa. So kila hustle, kila mwanabiashara, everybody that is struggling, or everybody that mwenye anatafuta dau yake, big up. Either way yenye unatumia, as long as tauhui mtu, big up manze, big up, endelea na hiyo kitu. Usisikize kenye watasema. At the end of the day, no one will put food on your table manze. This is Ghetto Voice Podcast, and I'm your host, Kafaiko the poet, Kafaiko Msanii, the voice of ghetto, representing Kibera and representing every ghetto youth, representing Kenya to the world, and also a Kenya content advocate. Play Kenya content, play Kenya music, but sahi Kenya music inakuwa played, sahi support unapata manze. Big up everyone that is supporting in this industry. Big up kila mtu mwenye nangangana kuinua the Kenya content industry and the Kenya music industry, the rap industry. Big up everybody manze. Big up all the rappers from Nakuru, everywhere. Kila upcoming artist, one day itajipa. Skiza. Yeah. Check it. Nika Faiko. Nakumbuka mbali manze. Kibera. Si unajua. Si unajua. Remy. Ni maombi.
Alhamdulillah nimefika, ila nikicheki rutini yangu bado sijafika. Hata big shout out to my niggas walonishika mikono na kunisimamisha. Itajipa, inshallah itajipa, kuna siku hii mziki bills zote italipa. Itajipa, lazima itajipa, keep on praying, hiyo siku itafika. Hii ni anthem ya mboka, ipo siku itajipa. Nazidi kuomba, hiyo siku itafika. Nitatoka ghetto one day to onita, hiyo siku hadi roho ya crash nitashinda.